all shapes and sizes turn out, and everybody encourages one another. You're not overtaken and people are like rubbing your nose in it. They're saying, come on, pick it up a bit, you can do it. And it doesn't matter how fit you are, there's always someone out there who's going to support you on course, and that's why it's a brilliant event. Although the competitive side of me wants to win all the time, Healthspan kindly were donating £10 to every runner who beat me to Tai Havan, a children's hospice. 281 runners beat me, so that's £2,810 is kindly donated. So I'm kind of happy about that. I was running with Reese from Healthspan, and I think he realised after about 3 miles I was hurting because I wasn't talking at 100 miles an hour anymore. I was quite quiet.
I think the hills, they start to take their toll after a while, and there was one right at the end coming round up to the finish line. I wasn't expecting it, and it carried on climbing, and that was quite tough.
Hottest 10K you've ever done?
Hottest, hilliest, but one of the most enjoyable. The scenery was beautiful.
3,500 runners. How was it for you?
I loved it.
What was the time?
48 minutes, 48:16, but I must admit, with the heat and the hills, I'm really chuffed with that.
And I'm chuffed a bit, so we've done under an hour.
Well under an hour, 55.
I think. Go back to the Healthspan tent and get some hydration as well. Get some electrolytes into us, some cherry juice.
Do you do Healthspan beer by any chance? And burgers?
No, but we can work that out. We'll find somewhere.
That's a win-win situation.
I've been training for it over the past 4 or 5 weeks. It's about a personal journey to lose about 2.5 stone over the past year, but this was one of those milestones which I absolutely love doing.
Running for me was a way of just getting out the house, getting fitter and active. Having a 4- and 6-year-old is very busy, so I just wanted to focus and do something for me.
So many people welcoming us here, taking our products, interested to know how our products will help them towards a faster time next time around. It's been amazing.